What are you doing in my glove compartment? Merchants? You're getting crazy. Alright. Okay, that sounded like I was a little mad at you. Like, alright, what are you doing in my glove compartment? What are you doing in my glove compartment? Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? You're grounded. All of you, you're grounded. Now go to your glove compartment. Can't believe you! Hi kid. You're all flip it around. I'm not doing good with words today. That's 75 in AP World, so yeah, today is a great day. And I missed a lab today, and physical science is going well. No, it really is actually. I didn't get to the orthodontist. They did something to my braces. I don't know what they did to my braces, and I keep looking at my face. I've been doing that a lot recently. There's people all around me. They're watching me talk to myself. So I'm gonna pretend you're someone on Skype. Yeah. You people are crazy. You did? Wow. That's... Okay, they're gone. There's a little... Oh, you missed it. There was a little bird dancing like an Egyptian. Nature cracks me up. Anyways, I'm going to be doing some recording later today because I got nothing else to do. Look, there's... I guess not really walking. Oh, there's two. Not really Egyptian. They're just bobbing their heads. No, Birdie, watch out, Birdie. No, Okay, let's get. Oh, wildlife in the suburban city. Hello. What? Just saying hello. I'm just saying hello.